In our last lesson, we learned that every software system is divided into modules. But once we know the modules, the next question is very simple. What will the user actually see after opening the software? Many people think software development starts with programming, but in reality it starts with designing screens. Imagine you visit an architect to build your dream house. He does not begin by laying bricks. First, he draws the floor plan. In the same way, software architects first design the screens before anyone writes a single line of code. If you can clearly imagine what the user should see and what they should be able to do, you have already completed one of the most important stages of software development. This is why software design begins with screens, not programming. The secret of good software is very simple. Never think like the developer. Always think like the user. Imagine you are building an audit engagement management system. When an audit associate logs into the system, what does he want to see? Probably today as assignments, pending review notes, approaching deadlines, and recently assigned clients. A partner, however, has very different needs. The partner may want to see revenue, engagement status, overdue reports, and client profitability. Both users are opening the same software, but they need completely different information. This is why good software presents different screens to different users. Every screen should answer one question. What information does this user need right now to do the job efficiently? Almost every business software is built using three simple components: forms, dashboards, and buttons. Form is used to enter or edit information. For example, a client registration form may ask for the client name, address, contact person, industry, and financial year-end. A dashboard provides a quick summary of important information, such as pending tasks, completed work, and key performance indicators. Buttons allow the user to perform actions like save, update, submit, approve, reject, print, or export. Every button should represent a meaningful business action. When designing software, do not ask what color the button should be. Instead, ask what business activity the user wants to perform. Good software is designed around business actions, not visual decoration. The biggest lesson from today is that you do not need to be a programmer to design software. If you can take a blank sheet of paper and sketch a login page, a client registration form, or a dashboard, you have already started designing software. Modern AI tools can help transform those sketches into real web applications. But AI cannot imagine the business better than you can. That is your responsibility. From today, whenever you see a paper form, imagine how it would look as a software screen. This simple habit will train your mind to think like a software architect. In our next lesson, we will connect these screens with the database and learn how every button, every form, and every dashboard retrieves and stores information behind the scenes.